Hello, I'm Tisha Singer. I'm a physician and breast radiologist based out of St. Louis, Missouri, and the founder and owner of Telegram Radiology and Shiro Imaging. I'm excited to talk to you about leading the way. Is it possible in a traditional healthcare model? There are few things in life that most physicians can collectively agree upon. One thing we all can acknowledge is that the United States healthcare delivery system is flawed and needs improvement. To improve, we need strong, impactful leadership. I will discuss my experience being a female physician leader in a traditional healthcare system, and I will share 3 moments that were pivotal in my decision to leave the traditional healthcare model. I'll share myths that I thought to be true about starting my own independent practice, and we'll discuss differences between traditional healthcare systems and independent practice. By the end of the lecture, I hope that you will think about healthcare delivery in innovative ways. I look forward to meeting you all virtually and about discussing what I feel strongly is the future of healthcare, putting physicians back at the head of the table. Thank you.